Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Canva account, and you have a pro account for free via your college email. So what you're going to be doing is typing in your student number with an @ next to it, student.chelmsford.ac.uk. So exactly how you'd be logging into your Cedar account or your Teams account or your Outlook account as well, and this is all connected. So once you've clicked on there, it's going to send you a code to your email, so you will need your emails up. It could take a couple of minutes just to get that through, but hopefully it won't be too long. As we're just demonstrating, I'm just waiting for mine to come through. So today I'm just going to be going over with you the basics of Canva and how we can use it within animation, illustration and on our course. So I've got the code, so I'm just going to type that in just so I can show us how to get logged in. So this is my student account, so it's saying that you can try Canva Pro, but your tutor can get you signed up for the Canva Pro account for free. So today I'm just going to show you a bit about the basics of Canva. So you have your home page, which shows you all the different avenues that you can take using Canva. So you can search up for templates. So for example, in animation illustration, we would use comic books. So if you're looking for a comic book layout or a bit of inspiration, then it can give you lots of tools and accessibility to be able to help you create your comic book. So if I think of a bit more specific, so comic book layouts, and it can give you the layouts of your comic books, and you can edit these to tailor to what you are asking for. Say if you are wanting a presentation for children, maybe you can be very specific and it will give you a avenue and a series of different designs that you can use as a presentation template. So say for example, if you've got a project and you want to do a bit of work on Canva, Canva is a great way to show your what you're trying to get across to your target audience very quickly, and it's amazing really. So say for example that we were going to pick on any template, it can be anyone. You can customize this, or you can choose ones that are below that are very similar. So if you like the genre of it, if you like the look of it, it can give you lots of avenues and lots of different presentations that you can use to design your work. So today we're going to customize a template. And you can do what you want with this really. So once it has loaded, once it's come on, it's going to show you a series of slides down the front that you can use. So it gives you a quick template. When you click on elements down the left hand side, it's going to show you for the first couple of times on how to use text and how to add pictures and things like that, which is brilliant. So you've got all your shapes, your graphics, you can add polls, quizzes to make it interactive. It's also got an AI generator, so if there's something that you are looking for, such a particular animal or anything like that, tables, you can add photos, you can add videos, charts, the list goes on really. It's very flexible. It's a higher tech PowerPoint, as much as we don't want to call it PowerPoint, but it is. So, and it's a lot more interactive to make your work come alive a lot more. So we've got lots of texts, lots of different colors that you can add, and the font list goes on forever, and you can change a lot of the colors. It's very easy to use, so you can play around with these. So in our lessons we are going to be doing Canva related work, especially when it comes to presentations with our portfolio building and things like that. And if you have to do a presentation within the class, Canva would be the reason and the way that we would do this. So you can do a lot, and the AI tool is brilliant. So if there's something that you can't quite find on your elements or your design or your texture, then you can just tap it into this ChatGPT box, and it does find it for you, which is brilliant. Okay, so a lot of you go, how do I save this? Okay, it's not quite as simple as Microsoft PowerPoint. You do everything on Canva automatically saves for you. So for me, that is a lot easier. Some people get out the routine and think that's a bit confusing, but up here when you go on to share, you need to download your work to your personal student OneDrive, which you all have access to as a student. So when you're doing this, you can either save it as a PDF print. That is personally what I always send it as. If you are saving it as a video and wanting to upload it to your Wix website, which again for my animation illustration students you'll be doing on a daily basis, so I would save it as as an MP4 video or a GIF or a PNG, but either way it's absolutely fine. So for today's purpose, I'm just going to save it as a PDF print and I'm going to download this. You'll see if it's a small file, then it will take not very long to download at all, but if it does, that's fine. Just wait a couple of minutes and you'll see that it will be available in your downloads. So for example, once that's downloaded, I'm going to go to my files. So I'm going to get my files up ready and I'm going to click on my downloads. Okay, and then you will find my PDF here ready to be able to use. Okay, and that is when you can upload it to your Wix website if you needed to, or you can send it to the person that you need to send it to, or just keep it for yourself or whatever you need to do. All right, so that's how you save it, and you can collaborate with Canva, which is brilliant. So your fellow student or peer in the classroom, or send it to myself as your tutor, you just have to type in their name. So for example, on my student account, I'm going to send it to Charlotte Talford, and you have the option to say whether they can edit, comment or view, and you can add a message to that. Okay, so it's really easy to send via each other if you want second opinion, or if you're doing a collaborative project, this is brilliant to use. So you can get this on your phone via your student account as well, so you don't just have to use it on a PC, you can use it on a Mac, an iPad. It's brilliant on an iPad, it's brilliant on a phone, you can use it whenever, so it's really accessible software to be able to use throughout your time at the college. So that is just a quick introduction to Canva and showing you the basics, but in lessons I'll be showing you Canva in a much detailed way and exampling that through activities on how to use it. But I hope this has helped and we can't wait to get started with Canva next time. Thank you.